Hello everyone, I am Lalchan. Today we shall discuss some concepts of direct and inverse proportions. For this, let us consider a situation. Suppose your mother tells you to bring potatoes from the market. You go to market. There you find that the rate of potato is rupees 20 per kg. That is, if you will purchase 1 kg, you have to pay rupees 20. But if you purchase 2 kg, you have to pay rupees 40. And if you purchase 3 kg, you have to pay rupees 60. Now the question is, do we observe something from this example? Yes, yes, we observe a very particular pattern from this example. And what is that pattern? In the first case, we get 1 kg for rupees 20. In the second case, 2 kg for rupees 40. And the third case, 3 kg for rupees 60. Thus, we have three cases, and now let us have a look on the numerical values of these quantities in each cases. In the first case, it is 1 and 20, and the ratio is 1 is to 20. In the second case, it is 2 and 40, and the ratio is 2 is to 40, that is again 1 is to 20. And in the third case, 3 and 60, the ratio is 3 is to 60, that is again 1 is to 20. So we see that the ratio of the numerical values of two quantities in each of the cases is always the fixed or constant. Such a procedure is termed as direct proportion. Now we can easily define it as two quantities or the numerical values of two quantities are said to be in direct proportion if their corresponding values are always in the same ratio. Remember, in the direct proportion, if one quantity increases, the other also increases in the same ratio, and if one quantity decreases, the other also decreases in the same ratio. Now let us consider some another different situation. Suppose you are assigned some work. You can alone finish it in 2 hours. You can alone finish it in 2 hours. Now the question is, listen carefully. Now the question is, will this time 2 hours will remain the same or increase or decrease when one of your friends will help you? That is, when the work will be finished by both you and your friend together. You will at once say that the time will now reduce to 1 hour. Previously, you were doing the work alone and the time taken was 2 hours. But when you will do it with your friend, the time will reduce to 1 hour. Let us now discuss the reason behind it. Actually, when your friend joins you, then the load reduces to half. That is, now load gets distributed, and now half load is on each of you. So consequently, time also reduces to half of its original value. That is, time reduces 1 hour from 2 hours. Such a procedure is termed as indirect proportion. Now it can easily be defined as two quantities or the numerical values of two quantities are said to be in inverse proportion. If one increases, then other decreases, or if one decreases, then the other increases by the same ratio. Remember, in inverse proportion, if one quantity will increase, the other will decrease. But in direct proportion, either both quantities will increase or both will decrease. Thanks.